In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back Instagram professional account to personal account. So you need to open your Instagram app, then click on this icon, logo icon. Then you can see this is my profile. Then you need to again go on this three window dot. Now just scroll down. So you need to click on creator tools and control. So this is a April 2025. Now scroll down, you can see this is a switch back account type. Just click here, you can see right now my account are maybe professional accounts, so I want to switch back personal account. You can see this is a personal, and then again click on switch to personal account. You need to wait few seconds for the whole the processing your data. You can see it's already working, right? Wow, my profile are personal right now, so you can see how I going switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.